I'm Madhumita. I'm studying BSc Nursing in JIPMER. In this video, we'll be discussing about what is home quarantine, home isolation, what should a person under home isolation and the caregiver must do, how to monitor and follow up the COVID-19 patient, when to seek immediate medical attention, what is IVRS called, and when to discontinue the medical home isolation. Once a person is tested positive for COVID-19, he must have himself seen by the doctor who will determine whether he is healthy enough for home isolation or he should be admitted in the hospital. This is because in many cases the symptoms are mild and they do not require any hospitalization. The person are asked to isolate themselves from the family members except the caregiver. This is different from home quarantine. In home quarantine, the person is asked to similarly isolate himself because of the recent contact with the person carrying COVID-19. Here are some advice for people undergoing home isolation. The person must try to download the Arogya Setu app and keep their internet connection with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on. The person must try to stay in one room, preferably with an attached toilet, especially away from the elderly, young children and pregnant women, and try to interact with the caregiver only. The person must try to wear the masks at all times to prevent the spread of infectious droplets. And the front portion of the mask must not be touched during the handle or use. And the mask should be changed at 6 to 8 hours after use or earlier if it is visibly soiled or wet. You can wear one mask from morning to lunch and another from lunch to the bedtime. The masks should be soaked in 5% bleach solution and then it should be disposed. The dispose should be by means of burying and burning. While coughing and sneezing, do so in the bend of your elbow. And maintain hand hygiene. Wash your hands at regular intervals for at least 40 seconds. If the articles are contaminated by the patient, it should be cleaned using 5% bleach solution. And there must be hand sanitizer for the use of both the caregiver and the patient. The hand sanitizer must be used for at least 20 seconds. The patient should take enough rest and sleep and try to take more fluids to keep them well hydrated. Here are the advice for the caregiver. The caregiver should also wear the medical gloves and the mask to avoid the direct contact with the body fluids like oral and the respiratory droplets. The patient should wash their hands thoroughly before and after handling these items. The hand hygiene should be followed after the following contact: to the exposure to the ill patient and their immediate environment, before eating, after using the toilet, and whenever the hand looks dirty. The food should be provided to the patient's room. The utensils and the dish used by the patient should be washed using soap and detergent and water by using a glove. The utensils and the dishes used by the patient can be reused. The strict hand hygiene must be performed after handling these items. Their clothes should also be washed separately. The surfaces that are touched by the patients should be disinfected by 1 tablespoon, that is 15 ml of 5% bleach in 2 liters of water. You must note that it is 1 tablespoon and not 1 teaspoon, which is 5 ml. The mask must be soaked in 5% bleach solution before disposal by means of burying and burning. The caregiver must self-monitor their health with daily temperature monitoring and notify if the symptoms that indicates COVID-19 develops. How to monitor and follow up the COVID-19 patient. The patient should self-monitor their health by daily temperature monitoring and use pulse oximeter, if available, to monitor the oxygen saturation and pulse rate. Report immediately if there is any worsening of symptoms. When to seek immediate medical attention. If the patient experiences difficulty in breathing, oxygen saturation dips below 95%, mental confusion, slurred speech, seizures, weakness or numbness in limbs or face, bluish discoloration in lips and limbs. For emergency, you can contact the helpline number displayed on the screen, that is 0413-104 from mobile or 104 or 0104 from landline. This is for Pondicherry landline helpline number. You can contact your respective helpline number from your state or 1075 for national helpline number. What is IVRS call? Every day, patient in Pondicherry will receive a message with a number. The patient will call the number and their symptoms will be recorded by interactive voice response system. The home isolation team will note these and do the necessary. The patients will be reminded twice, 4 p.m. and 7 p.m. if he fails to make the call. If the patient still doesn't make the call, the healthcare team will call and mark their symptoms. When to discontinue home isolation. Patient under home isolation will stand discharged after 10 days of symptom onset and no fever for 3 days. Thereafter, the patient will be advised to isolate himself at home and self-monitor his health for further 7 days. Please follow this advice so together we can stop the spread of COVID-19 and break the chain. Thank you for watching our video. We have taken our information from reliable sources like Mo HFW and Pondicherry guidelines. Please share this with your family and friends. And please subscribe our channel so you can get more informative videos about COVID-19. Thank you.